Okay, let's continue. Oops. What? So what I want is, let's just get this here. Let's try to, can I do this? Or should I do like this? And then I select this guy. Oops, I mean I select this. And set origin to crosshair, and then I can set this to duplicate. Oops. Duplicate, and then mirror X position. Nothing. Mirror all position. No. Mirror X position and rotation. What the hell? F to flip. Rotate. No. Whoop. There. Okay, if I press position, nothing happens. Select. Deselect this guy, this guy, this guy. This. Okay, let's put this here. What the? No, down there. Deselect. Select this. Select this. Select this. Okay, this is the one. This guy, select. So these two guys are together. Come on, there. Let's select this. Okay. So I have this guy, and then can I do a mirror X position? Nothing happens. Why? Why nothing happens? I don't get it. Let's do this mirror. Position the invisible plane that you draw tiles. 3D crosshair. Okay. Mirror flip or mirror? Mirror selection. Mirror selection, okay. RF. Mirror F. Repeat. Alt R. Mirroring. Properties. Mirror. I see. Mirroring. Okay. Symmetrical object. Okay, but you don't explain how to do it. Flip, rotate, nothing. Mirror X. Okay, let's do an X position rotation. Again, mirror X rotation. Okay, mirror X position. Nothing. I don't get it. Okay, let's try again. Let's put it there. Let's see once again. Position. Nothing changes. F to flip. R to mirror. Nothing changes. Okay, let's look at this. Using crocodile. That have problems with mirror objects. Come on, be quick. Okay. We cannot edit vertices unless deconstruct the object. However, the constructing prevents changes. Okay. Right-click in edit mode. Edit the original tiles. No. Some users find mirroring process unintuitive, expecting a simpler interface. It's time consuming, yes. Create an object in the scene tab. Changes made. Right click, properties. Right click properties, let's see. This guy. This is this guy. C X. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to edit all the objects. Oh, I hate this. Let's enable mirroring. X. Let's just move the let's move this. Let's keep it that way. So now let's edit the crosshair. What? Mirroring enabled. Y C X. What's going on, man? I don't get it. So let's do an F. Let's do a mirror X position. Nothing. Mirror X position and rotation. Nothing. Move origin to crosshair. Mirror X position. Nothing. Mirror Y axis position. Nothing. Oh, there. What? It likes. doesn't get updated for some reason. Why? Position. Okay, let's see. Why position and rotation? Mirror. Why? Position, rotation, and scale. This is crazy. Okay, mirror, x-axis, rotation, nothing. Mirror, x-axis, position and rotation, nothing. Okay, let's watch the YouTube channel. Mirroring. Prefab objects. Alright. So you create the object. That's the easy part. The scene tab. Properties. And enable mirroring. Okay. Why does it work? I do that and everything is broken. Okay. Okay, change the order. Oh, that's another point. That's another type of point. It says origin. Did you check that? But there's nothing here. There's nothing there. Why? Select. There is nothing there. I see nothing there. Can I edit this? Now I can. Oh, there, mira. Look at that. So, where is the point? It doesn't show. Move point to crosshair. Do it. Let's move it there. Oh, look at that. Look at the thing. Okay, let's put it there. There. Now, nothing changes. Look at that thing. Well, at least I learned something. Let's see, so I didn't know this origin thing, origin point. Okay, really weird. Okay. Each instance. Okay, maybe that's the problem. I'm because I created instances. Yes, I think that's the problem. Let's check that. I'm gonna delete the instance. No, let's not delete the instance. So this should work, I think. Mirror doesn't work. Okay, delete. Can I delete this instance? Delete instance. Mirroring. Can I see this? Tentacle. Add to scene. Can I do an edit? Of this guy. Tentacles, properties, mirroring, flip. Okay, whatever. Oh, look at that. You don't let me rotate. Let's do a Y. Oh, I wish it let me rotate in a different way, you know. Mirroring C X shadows. What lines? Oh, these lines. What can I do? So let me edit this. Maybe if I move the faces. There we go. I had to move the faces, not the object. There we go. Now we're making more sense. There we go. That's what I wanted. There we go. Whoop. Now where should this be? There. So let's create another instance. Oh, but so So the problem is that if I change these guys, all of the instances will change. What a problem, isn't it? So let's edit it, and you will see that all the instances will change. Oh, see? Oh, that's not what I want. So what I can do is deconstruct. Can I deconstruct and make a new one? Deconstruct object. Okay, so this is deconstructed. Can I delete you? No, I can't. Okay, so this object is deconstructed. What's going on? Okay, so let's do it like this. Deconstruct. Okay, so we have two objects. Delete. Should I save that? There. Delete, 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 delete. I can't delete. I can't. Okay, let's just deconstruct again. Let's select the faces. Let's select all the faces. Okay, delete. Select vertices. Again. And let's create a object. Another object. Tentacle V. So in this I set the mirroring again. Okay, let's select this, let's edit this, let's select the origin, let's try to move the origin to this spot. There we go, and then there we go. So now what I want is to do like this, maybe like this, to like this. Should be a smaller tentacle. Like that, and then let's move it. Down. That's a good angle, I guess. There. Good. So now let's do it again. Add to scene. deconstruct. Let's select all of these guys. I can delete them. Okay, let's select all the faces. Let's select all the faces again. Let's construct the faces. I mean, construct the object again. This is tentacle C. So let's get the properties again. Let's edit the object. Let's only get the vertices. Let's select them all. Let's move this guy down. Let's put one there. Let's move this guy around there. Let's move it a little bit like this. Let's move it like that. Like this. A little bit like that. There, like this. Let's twist. There we go. Shift X. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. I made a big mistake. I should have edited this guy because now. Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna place the rest of the tentacles in the same spot. You know, this is okay. Not too bad. Yep, looks nice. Okay, looks nice. So let's select this. Let's edit. So let's get all of you. Let's do an unwrap. Check that out. So what's that? What's that thing? Can I place him here? No, I can't. I need more space. Like that. Is this a good size? Maybe not. 1.5. Let's do 0.5. 0.5. Okay. That's really big. 0.5. No, you know what? Not 0.5. I mean 0.5. So the pixels are bigger. Okay, so I need to place these guys around here. Right? Yes. So let's resize the tile set. How many? 1, 2 down. Resiles. Wait. 5, 6 tiles down. Apply. Okay. Let's move you. What can I do with this? What's this? Okay, I think I can move it. I can move this guy. There. There, no problem. Okay, so now I need to start painting. There. Okay, let's check this out. Let's do this. G. G and G. And G. And the rest is this color. I wish I could just paint the entire thing, you know. Checkered field, no. Contiguous. Can I do this? I wish I could just paint the entire thing. There. 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 Oh, look at this. Man, there's like a... It takes a little bit to update, you know? Can I paint? Can I speed up the painting? Draw mode. There. Overlap. Tile brush. Set tile brush size. Sticky edge proportionate. What's this? Use transparent mode. I drop vertex alpha color. No idea what this means. Okay, let's check this out. Oopsie. So let's choose this guy. Let's do this. What's this face? Can I not select this? Oh, that face. Okay. So you are there. Oh, you're okay. And you are this guy. Okay. And you are that guy. Whoop. There we go. There. Okay, so there. Okay, so I'm gonna have to paint all this differently. Okay. Oh, no problem, no problem. Tough. Okay, how do you look? Looking good, I think. Yeah, you look nice. You look nice. Okay, let's do that. Let's do this. Or this. So let's select this. Let's get the UVs. Let's do an unwrap. Oof. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try to use the other ones. So the ones I want to be lighted will be these ones. Okay, let's see. Let's do an unwrap. Okay. So I'm gonna have to place these guys here because the shape is really different. So let's go. It's gonna go through here. Should I just do this? Actually should do that instead. Yep, should do that. so this should be in darkness, in shadow. Shadow, 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 shadow. Oh no. Did I ruin it? Oh. Okay. Let's leave it like that for now. And let's take this. Let's continue with that. So I thought I was painting with this color, but I guess I made a mistake. So let's paint all of this. Okay, let's continue. Oop. There. Okay. So now I have to select all of the faces that will be in shadow, like this. This, this, and this, and this, and this. I don't need this, and 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 this. So now let's choose this and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, so all of them. Oh, wait a second. This and this and this, and this will be in shadow. There. Let's see. Okay, so all of you in shadow. So I don't really. Wait a second. No, not you. Not you. There we go. So these ones will be in shadow. So since I don't really care, I'm gonna place all of you in one spot. But first I'm gonna do this magic all in shadow. There we go. Simple, fast, easy, just the way I like it. So let's paint this there. There we go. So I'm just making sure it looks okay. There we go. Up, 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 up. Yep. Up, 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 up. Yep. Yikes. Okay, like this. Okay, looks good. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's continue with this one. So let's do the same thing I did, was to select the planes that will be in light. Light, 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 light. Should this be in light? Yeah, why not? Yes, 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 yes. Light, light, light. You too. Whoop. Whip. There. Oh. Yes. Light, light. Light, 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 light. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's grab you. Let's do an unwrap. Let's do this. Oh my god. Oh, very similar to this one. Let's see if I can make it equal. So this is 1.2. Apply. Again. Okay. Pretty good if you ask me. But not great. Maybe if I paint it, I can not ruin it, you know. Let's see, this guy. Wait a second. This should be like that. Okay. So this guy, let me rotate you maybe. Let's do it like that. No. Like this. There. You're okay. You're not okay. Maybe like this. Okay, let's move you first because you're confusing me. Ah, you know what? You know what? This is far more difficult than I wanted it to be, so let's just paint it. There. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Good. Oh no, this looks awful. Okay, I'm not finished with this one actually. Let's go. Ouch. So let's select the face that will go in the shadow. Faces in the shadow. Ouch! What the heck just happened? There. There we go. There. Oh. Okay, all of that goes in shadow. So let's make you smaller. Gonna reduce the scale and put you there, all black. I mean all shadow. There. Nice. Now I should work on this. So let's select this. Let's select all the faces that will go in shadow. Whoop. Is this shadow? Yeah, let's say yes. What? This is shadow. Shadow. There. Okay, all of this in shadow. Let's do the same technique I did before. Let's just copy you here. Good. So let's paint a little bit. Let's paint you a little bit there. There we go. There. Yep. What? There. let's leave it like this, maybe. Okay. Whoop. Okay, this should be like that. Okay. Okay. Let's leave you like that. Look at this, man. So cute. Okay, stop dancing, please. There. Let's put you on the shadow side. Because it doesn't matter, because this guy will be on the shadow. So I'm just gonna put you guys together. I'm gonna reduce your size. I'm gonna put you there. So I'm never going to see that side, so it's okay. Okay. Just one small detail. There, let me just paint one more thing. There. This, I think, is okay. So this guy there. Okay. I need to see if it's the right color. Not too sure. Oops. Okay, just a slight change. Let's make you more light. And let's add a little bit more. No. There. Not contiguous. Is this right? Maybe it's too blue, you know? Should be more red. This is blue, This is actually, this is not red, this is very blue. Right, just a slight change of two five five 232 24. Okay, this should be 24 something, 245. Yeah, that's better. Nice. Oops. So I actually should change this. No, this. You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna copy paste this guy. There. Oops, shouldn't have done that. There. There. Something like that. Let's do a black. Shouldn't this be red? Actually, since you're evil, you know. Since you're an evil guy. There. Rawr. Oops. There, that makes much more sense. Okay, maybe a few more details here and there. For example, a lip. Should you have a lip? I think you should, man. Oops. There. And in here, I think you should be a bit more dark, like this. There we go. No, not you. Oh. It's okay. There we go. Okay. Pretty good, isn't it? I like it. Okay, coffee break. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I am back. It's cold around here, man. It's cold around here. So let's export this guy. A Watcher 1. Let's get the enemies. I have the goblin, the rat, the skeleton, the slime. And let's create the Watcher. That is the final boss. One final boss. Models, enemies. No, not this one. Game the projects. Models. So let's get this guy. This is a Watcher. Nice coffee. Very big guy. Okay, so this guy is very big. Wait a second. So he was actually not that big. By 4. There we go. Looking great. Let's do the mesh transform. All right. Let's see if everything works fine. Okay. Working nicely. Let's move you there. Whoop. Right there. Should be floating more, I think. Right? Like floating more. Are you floating? You are too close to the ground. There, a little bit there. This thing should be a little bit more like this. This guy a little bit like this. There. Save. Okay, so we have a new project, a generic one. This is called Watcher. Let's change the name. to idle. 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 Let's add a new one called walk. And another one called basic attack. There we go. So now I must get this post selector, animated mesh, create configurati. Wait a second. So here I need to create an animator. How do they name slave? Watcher animator. Oh, hello. Oh no. So now I need to get the position and let's animate the idle. Let's add keys and let's create duration of the animation, and this is 30, so let's move him upwards and then downwards. Oh, and then let's copy this and paste it there. So let's see how you do. Whoop, nothing. Why? Let's move you down. There we go. Okay, nice. Should be why do I have this? No, delete and delete. So let's make you a little bit like that. Since when have I been coding? Let's see. I started to learn to code like 20 years ago, more or less. I started learning in high school. Alright, looks good. I started with QBasic and Visual Basic and RPG Maker to make games, and also a Game Maker. Yes, 20 years. 20 long and painful years. Well, not so much. Not so much. Okay, let's... no, that's okay. And now, let's save. Yes, yes, really. Basic attack or walk? Let's do the walk. So let's add keys and then this should be a little faster, I think. So the walk was 40, I think. 40. This should be 30. And then I like to make strategy games or simulator games or management games. Games that are a bit more complex. I don't like to make cozy games, cozy or casual games or puzzle games or platform games. Those are the ones I don't like to make. So this is a deck builder game, a strategy game. Inspired in Loop Hero. Alright, so I think I should make a rotation. Like that. Rotation and position. And let's copy this one here. No, that's not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. Maybe like this, and then like that. Whip. Okay. Whip. Oh. Okay. Up. Down. No, let's copy the rotation here and copy it here. I don't like it. I don't like it. What should I do? I want it to go like up and down, up and down. So like this. There. And then it goes down. And then up and down. Yes, like that. Let's see. So let's copy this here, copy this, and copy this here. Okay, maybe it's too fast. Let's do 20. Let's change the position here. Nope. Nope. Stop. Okay, maybe the rotation is too much. Or maybe it's the curves. The cursor is fine. Let's make it longer. Like this. Oops. Like that. Okay. Let's get the curves. Progression rotation. Really? Positional rotation. I'm not sure what to do with this. Let's check. And then the rotation. Rotation moves. Let's do Euler. Gimbal lock. No, thank you. Let's try this quaternion. Okay, so oh, look at this. It's so straight looking. So let's not broke tangents. Okay, not this, not broke tangents. There we go. Oh, it's the same, doesn't matter. There we go. Let's try. Okay, much better. Okay, so we have finished the walk cycle. I have the idle. Now I need to attack. Let's do an attack. So the attack, it's a spin maybe. The attack goes like this. It starts normal, then it backs off a little bit, then it attacks. It does, yeah, like this, and then it goes back to normal here, like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it will, when it comes here, it attacks, right? So it will do like this. So, oh, I forgot to set the keys here. Add keys. There we go. So it does like, yeah. And in here, it does like that. And spins like crazy. Like this. Let's do, whoop, and then it spins back to normal. Wow. Let's see. Yeah. That's awful, man. That's terrible. So let's see again. It backs off, attacks. So the idea is fine, but the timing is really bad. Let's see. Whoop. So let's grab these guys. Let's see. Too fast. Too fast. Let's watch it from this angle. Let's change this. Let's see, backs off, attacks, turns around, goes back to normal. Should... Okay, so this is kinda wrong. Let's adjust the position a little bit. There. Yeah. Okay, let's move this back a little bit. Let's try again. Maybe it's too fast. Maybe it's too fast. Oh, I'm getting dizzy, man. Wow. 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 Okay, I think it's good enough. Good enough. So I have the basic attack, I have the idle, and I have the walk. And on the basic attack, I need to set plum. I should have adjusted the pivot first. I made that mistake, but it works fine. It works fine. Wait a minute. Can I do something else with this? Wow. Should go upwards, I think. Up a little bit. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, it's not bad. Attacks goes back. Okay. Ow, my neck is killing me. So I said I was going to add it there. 2. So this is an event spawn. Prefab, was it like this? Spawn prefab, and there was another one. Open recent. Punch. Oh, spawn prefab like that. And let's open the watcher. The spawn prefab there. So this is, there is something wrong here. What was it? So I have a rule that says that the animation should be at least 0.5 seconds maximum, I think. I'm not sure. I don't remember that well. Oh look, I have bosses here. Lich King boss? No, not Lich King. Let's change to Watcher. Watcher boss. Watcher. Let's alter the creature with magic powers. Prefab Watcher. Max health 10. Boss, yes. So what was the... So I have the animator, the watcher. Okay, export all clips. Open settings. Set the enemies, models, watcher. There we go. Close. Now let's try again. Export all clips. Oh yes, excuse me. There we go. Now I can export all clips. Idle, walk, basic attack. Perfect. Okay, idle, walk, and basic attack. Let's go. Basic attack. Idle. No. Make transition to idle. This is the default. How can I set the default transition? There. Whoa. What's happened with that? Anyway. Let's set this to make transition there, and there. So what else? Let's check. Oh, this goes basic attack to idle. So let's do this. Can I delete this? Let's delete like that. Slime. This is the slime. Let's edit the goblin. Let's delete this. Rat. Skeleton. Basic attack. A slime. Did I edit this slime? Yes. We have the Watcher. Alright. What's this? Set the false layer state. Why do I have like entry idle? Watcher. What's this? There. Okay, let's delete this because I had like I don't know many transitions to the idle state. Okay, so this is idle, basic attack and walk, and I need to set the Watcher's idle to loop and the walk to loop. What else? What else? All right. So I have the models, I have the types. I should have, or this goes there. Bosses. Watcher boss. So all right, that was on the cards. So let me see. The cards. I have images, playable cards. There, punch card. So the activation duration is there. Items, the sword item. So activation durations. Let's see. Item cards. So the duration of the activation in the activation queue. It must give enough time for a card to show its animation before continuing with the next card. Okay, so the minimum value is 0.5. Alright, so if the minimum is 0.5, I need to give the animation 0.5. That's the problem. So the basic attack of this guy should be 0.5 and it's not. Should be ended right there. Like this. 0.5. So it's the middle of a second. This is 1 second. This is the middle. Oh, but that flip looks awful now. The flip looks terribly bad. I'm gonna delete this, man. Rotation, no rotation. Haha, nice. There we go. Let's export again. Current clip. There we go. So now I need to edit the watcher. Do I need to edit it? Basic attack. Looks good. Looks okay. Okay, so let's just edit a building. Yes, that's okay. So the cave. Let's do a player. So we have ruins. Ruins. I have a goblin, a rat, and a skeleton. Let's replace Watcher Boss. There we go. Goodbye, Watcher. And so I'm gonna create some ruins, and then I'm gonna see if... Oh wait, I need to configure something. I forgot something. I forgot. Oh. Stop. So cards are okay. Enemies, models, no, here, Watcher. So this guy needs a Watcher animator. There we go. So now it should work fine. Let's go. So let's create some ruins and let's see if the enemies look nice. If my new Watcher enemy looks nice. Whoa. So let's see. Okay. So let's create the ruins. Right there. Oh no. It only created one guy. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. There we go. Okay. Ruins. So this should be 3 and there we go. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, I can't take it. Oh, look. Oh, I wish I could see its face. Okay, let's see. I love how it moves up and down. Okay, the village. Oh, come on. Oh, so good. Oh, I should add an animation to to this goblin. Oh no, I'm getting invaded. Okay, this guy looks awesome. All right. Great. Can I add a tower? Yes, I can. Anyway, oh, I closed it. Good. Good. So everything works fine. I just want to add a small animation to the goblin. An idle animation. There, animated mesh. Really? Oh no. Let's open to the goblin. Now we have this guy. And let's open the idle. So how should it be? Not sure. Let's do like this. Let's just try. Add key and add key, and here let's do like this, and here let's just copy. Whoop. So that's the idle animation. A little bit too exaggerated, and maybe it's too fast also. Let's delete this. There we go. So looks like he's breathing or something. Save. Can I do an export? Export settings, enemies, okay. Export current clip. There we go. So I can delete this and it should run perfectly fine. Let's try again. Let's try again. Where are you? There you are. Let's do a bigger. Wow. So let's create the ruins. We have 4 guys here. Oh man. No village. It's not animating. Let's review our guy. So the goblin has an idol. Idle here. Idle. Oh right, I forgot to set it to loop, because I just imported it and it overrode the last one. So now it should work fine. Let's go. Oh, ruins. So we have one guy here. Let's do 3. All right. There we go. He's alive now. He's alive. Punch. Okay. Nice. Do I have... Okay. I just want to check one thing. The slime. Not this slime. What type of slime cover does it have? Specular, transparent, blending mode alpha, alpha clipping. Let's 3 cube. Oh, I can see it. What's the problem? The cover? I wish I could place some kind of thing inside. So it's inside, I can see it. Yes, the problem is the... Oh wait, I can still see it. So... Alright. Well, I'm gonna leave that for later. So... I could add some kind of skeleton inside the slime, so it looks more fun. So what should I do now? I think I need more cards. Let's see. Okay, golden is done. Actually, it's not done. I need to add some clothing, add some simple clothing, add ears. I forgot the ears. Add a skeleton model to the inside of the slime. I can add a bat, spider, so many more, you know. I could add lots of different things. Buildings, resources, textures for the map, heroes. Tooltips tree. Or yes, add limits to the camera. Create more cards. Yes. Enemy spawners, goblin camp, necromancer script, slime pit, spider nest, dragon's lair, vampire manor, harpy roost, cultist shrine, beastman totem garden, windmill, tomb, obelisk, treasures, events, more items, special enemies. What special enemies? Alright. Oh yes. Go to different places in the map. Okay, what? Polish item cards mechanics. No, that's okay. This is the tutorial. Oh, I need to add this. There we go. I animated this. So this is done. Goblin is done. Oh, slip twin basic attack is done. The slip twin is not done yet. Idle walk attack. Yes, let's delete this. The slime is done. Oh, a dark knight. I need to add a dark knight. Yes, animate heroes and enemies. Okay. Okay, so I need something. The motivation. What should I work on? I need to work on this. Okay, this is a bug. Okay, this is limits to the camera. Okay, this is another bug. Graphics. I need to add more models. Actually, the models are enough. The models are enough for now. Let's do dark knight, leech, a ghost, troll, so many things. A slug, a dinosaur, so many things I could add. Let's solve this. So there should be motivation to make the hero go to different places in the map. There are buildings that the hero does not go to, so there is a building type with effect zones. Okay, but Loop Hero doesn't have that. So this is nice to have. So I should work with the mechanics I have right now to not add more mechanics. For now, I should create more cards, because right now I can only use the attack and the sword. Maybe add more effects. The game more interesting, so I could add more build levels, resources. So maybe I could plant more trees, wheat, grass, stone. Oh, the other thing is that when we build things. Building. I should be able to rotate it. So the selection rotates with it. So this is really important. That's really important. But also the cards, the combat system. Wait a second. I'm gonna work on the portal. Where is it? Buildings should be on the B. Buildings, tower. Let's do a dimension. Oh, I need to create this Lich King portal. Let's rename it. Dimensional. This should create many types of enemies, you know. So this is the building and the card that holds it. Attacks, buildables, Watcher portal card. So this is the Watcher portal. Made of magic. And mist, no, and strange made of magic and strange let's edit it later. Watcher portal. So I need to edit that card. Playable buildables, items, the building world, card sprite, ruins tower. So I need to create a dimensional portal here. Okay, let's create it. Let's use the tower as a template. Let's save. Portal 1. So the portal is a black thing, right? A black thing. Let's delete all of this. So let's get some ideas. So I think it should be like that, like this. Let's see, like that. Or like this one. So there should be like a black hole. This is really nice. Black hole. Wow, look at this. Oh, this is interesting. But the idea is to make a black hole. Black hole. Oh, and then I need to create the model for the black hole. Wow, look at this. Oh, I had a black hole right there. This one. This one is really interesting. What should I do then? Oh, this is nice. This one. This is from Elden Ring, by the way. I recognize it. Or is it Dark Souls? Not sure. So let's start with the black part. No, not you. We already have this black part there. Oh, let's do this. Oops, no. There we go. Okay. Okay, so what's next? Should I make an eye inside? Maybe not. Let's do this. Okay, so there. So let's do like a swirling thingy. Like this. shouldn't be there. Weep. Whoop. 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 Okay. Okay, what else? I have these. I have two colors there. Oh, so it's like clouds. Clouds. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go. Whoop. Whoop. Let's go. Darker. Oops. Okay, looks pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Maybe I should do it like this. Meshy. I almost said meshy. Meshy, I should do it like this. Fine. Wait a sec. No, this is wrong. 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 There we go. Wrong. Like this. There. Okay, so this goes like that. Whoop. Dash. Like that. So let's grab this guy. Whoop, 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 whoop. Uh-oh, something happened with the music. So what's this? Whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. Oops. Oh no, wrong. Oh, my eyes are killing me. Too much stuff, you know. Whoop, there. Wait a second. I need to set the music. There. No, this should be here. There we go. Man, this magic difficult to do. There we go. So this is what it is, man. What else did you expect? Whoop. There we go. There. Not so sure about this. I I am not so sure about this. Wait a second. Oops. Okay, let's do this. This and then this. Fine. I'll remove this. Does this look good? Let's say yes. Let's say that it looks great. Okay, I could be all freaking year working on this. Should I? No, of course not. Okay, so that's the portal. Wait a second, I need to adjust a few things. Right. I think I'm beginning to understand how to paint it better. So that it looks more three-dimensional, you know? More 3D. Okay, I think I should stop because this is getting too much into the small details of things. Too many small details. I think I should stop. Okay, looks pretty good, eh? Looks pretty good if you look at it from far away. Looks pretty cool. Just a small adjustments here and there. Okay, enough. So I have this here, Tower Ruins Portal, yes. Pixelar UE user interface. Oh, my eyes. turned out to be pretty good, I think. Cards. Watcher portal. Check that out. Portal 1. Cool. So I'm gonna check plugins to see how to create a nice shader for the portal. Let's check a look. Let's go, man. Okay. Raha. Let's see. Explosion. This. Oh, did I? Yes. Okay, let's continue. Q. Time scale. How can I set? Oh, but this looks okay. Purple impact. Slash. So let's see. Up and down. Okay. Okay. Sand shield. Water shield. Fire. Smoke. This looks nice. Toon character. Real fire. Pink trail. Ghost trail. Fire. Red area. This is really cool. Look at this. Evil aura. Oh, this is nice. Green portal. Plasma ball. So we have a portal, we have a plasma ball. We have many good examples. Okay, I gotta go. See you soon. Thanks for stopping by.